Here we plant millions of trees all around the world, and the most used system is this system. It's a very silly system if you think about it. We cut trees, make tree stakes and plant a new one. It should be brilliant if there was another system made out of residual waste from the food industry. And there is. It is the keeper system. With this anchor we can install all size of trees you want. Imagine we should use this system. We can reduce lots of carbon each year. We save millions of trees each year. And we save lots of money because it's cheap. Imagine no more tree stakes, but trees planted like this sustainable way. It should be brilliant. And it can. Vote for natural plastics. Vote for the world. My name is Bert van Vuren from Natural Plastics, and I can help you to make the world a little bit better. Thank you very much for your attention. Look, so must it be everywhere.